80 Old Egbert virtual tour. This is in Bedford, Ohio. This is one half of a duplex. Nice big unit. Kitchen's really nice and big. We just did all the cabinets, redid them. And then you have a pantry there. Refrigerator and stove comes with the unit. And right here's all your paint and everything. This has just got repainted, carbon, smoke. It's a really nice unit, big areas. It does have a tandem, it's a tandem 2-bedroom, but it has a 3rd bedroom too. So this is your other bedroom. And again, it's nice and private here. You get a garage, one side of a garage that you can have. So there is a garage parking in this. And then you can go right through here to your, there's your bathroom here. That's your bathroom. Then it goes into your living room. Living room's nice and big, nice vinyl plank type flooring. We added this about a year ago. All new paint. There's your front entrance, but there's 2 entrances of this. And then you have your bedroom here. This is another bedroom you have in here. This is great. It's a really nice. Again, you got your plank flooring in here. So this is a really nice unit coming on the market in Bedford, Ohio. This is the end of your virtual tour. Thanks. Have a great day.